Alright guys, here I just create a view based on the results, okay, customer review analysis. We have looked into that, not only these, but even the other. We can just close customer review analysis. There we go, the preview of it, okay. What are we doing here? You're getting the ML generated test. We're replacing all the dots, spaces, sentiment, okay. Create this guy, sentiment, table explorer. I think it can show us kind of table explorer for that. See details, okay, whatever. We can see from here. All right. Another regex, replacing, oh yeah, okay. Social media with the social media source, review task, customer ID, okay. There we go. There we create sentiment. Then social media source, where it gets whatever it is at Google or other stuff, just replacement of these guys. Twitter, Google, okay, we extract the data there. Then you have here the review test, customer ID location, review data time, okay. Policy, okay, all of that. Then we're going to bring a BigQuery on that, create a query, job to bring to a data frame. We're just selecting that, the sentiment, the count of it, grouping, okay, as count from, okay, Gemini, clean the view, that negative or positive grouped by sentiment, okay, have 41 and 9 negative, okay, that's right, sucks. Well, we can even explore other stuff. That's what I like to share. Thanks for watching. See you next video. So here we brought a data frame.